How to connect AppSheet to Google Sheets 2025. Follow these instructions. Go to AppSheet.com and sign in using the same Google account linked to your Google Sheets. Tap Make a new app, then select Start from your own data to begin creating an app using your Google Sheet. Choose the Google Sheet file you want to link. AppSheet will auto-load your data structure instantly. AppSheet scans your sheet and generates a live app preview based on your columns and table layout. Make sure your Google Sheet has headers in the first row to help AppSheet read your data correctly. Any edits in your Google Sheet are instantly synced to the app, keeping data live and up to date always. Tap Save and Not Deployed, Deploy to make your app go live and start using your synced app right away. Thank you for watching.